Hello everybody and welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're looking at question number 20 here. It's got quite a big picture. In the diagram, which of the following is largest? And we have some options. We have AE, which is a diagonal going from A all the way up to E. We have CD plus CF, a diagonal plus a length, AC plus CF, FD, that'd be another one, and AC plus CE. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to redraw this picture just a little bit and start figuring out some of these lengths. Start working around what I can do here. Okay. Yeah, I guess we're just going to sort of need the grid. It's 5 by 4 plus another 5. So it's 5 by 9 that we really need here. The rest of the grid doesn't matter. But I am going to start it on a brand new piece of paper. Alright. I think it was 5 by 9, so I actually don't need this extra little bit out here. And now for the 9. Let's divide it into 3s. No, that's not quite good, but we'll divide that into 3s as well. Okay. So we basically have our structure here. We don't need the rest of the grid, but let's start copying. We're going to get a color out. What would stand out well here? Let's go with red. Okay, so A to F is all along the bottom, and A to B is B is 4 above A. So we'll put A down here. We go up by 4 to get to B. Then we head in a little bit from B to C by 3 units. And then it's up to D at the top and E at the top as well. So E is up here. D was over by 2 units. C was in by 3 units. All right. So we have our picture. Great. Now we need to start calculating and comparing some things. We got 9 here, 6 here, 4 here, 3 here, 5 here, and 2 here. Okay. So we need to just calculate. A to E. So that would be over 5 and up by 9. We have our little picture here. We'd get a right angle triangle over by, I don't know why I wrote a 6 there, because this should be a 5. 5, 9. So AE is the square root of 5 squared plus 9 squared. So we may need to approximate some of this stuff with our calculator. And the triangle doesn't go exactly through C. Just a bad picture there. Okay, F to D. There's no way that's going to be it. And I'll show you why FD isn't going to work. F to D is a right angle triangle of 2, 9. So FD is the square root 2 squared plus 9 squared. Automatically it's going to be less just because we've got the 9 squared in both of these, and 2 squared definitely less than 5 squared. So FD is out. Already we can rule out the answer of D. Okay. What else can we do? So I noticed that both C and E have AC plus something. So which is longer, CF or CE? And then we can rule out the shorter one. Looks like CE is longer. We just take a quick gander at it. So CF is a right angle triangle, height 4, width 2. CE is sort of width 2 and a height of 5. So CF automatically greater than CE. So AC plus CF bigger than AC plus CE. Or do I add that backwards? I have that backwards. E was the one up at the top. Okay. So we've been able to rule out answer D and answer C. So it could be A, it could be E, or it could be B. What else? So there's CD plus CF. And I can't really see a good way to relate that to either of the other twos for comparison. Now, something I can see, AE and AC and CE, these guys form a triangle. And so by triangle law, we can actually narrow some of this stuff down. You know what? I don't want to redraw the big picture. But what we can do is AE is a length here, but AC, and CE, these guys form an extremely thin-looking triangle. And so by the triangle law, AC plus CE has got to be greater than AE. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to form a triangle. So automatically, AC plus CE is bigger than AE. We don't need to worry about that one either, so we've ruled out A. Now it's just a question of B or E, and I think we're just going to need to calculate these. Okay, so CD is 5. AC is going to be AC is 5 squared plus 4 squared, square rooted, and then CE is going to be 5 squared plus 2 squared, all square rooted, just by forming the right angle triangles. And then what was it? CF we need as well? Yes, CF. CF is going to be 2 by 4. Okay. So let's put some of this to work, some of this together. So CD is 5. AC is square root of 5 squared plus, no, not 5, yeah, 5 squared plus, no, 4 squared plus 3 squared. I think I have it wrong on the other side. I don't know. Yeah, 4 squared plus 3 squared. I saw the 5 at the bottom for AF and assumed it was all the length, but it's just 4 by 3. Okay, well 4 squared plus 3 squared is 5 squared. That's a well-known one. So AC and CD are both 5, so it all comes down to CF versus CE again. And we already talked about that. CE was bigger, so whichever one has CE, we're all set. So AC plus CE. E is our answer. That took a while. There wasn't, I mean, there was reasoning involved. It just wasn't I felt like it was a little sort of all over the place, and I didn't have a clear plan of attack. It was more just let's compare all these things. It didn't take us that long, I don't think. Certainly, we didn't actually ever have to compute anything except for 4 squared plus 3 squared is equal to 5 squared. So that didn't take us too long. I don't know, I feel a little unsatisfied with that question. But hopefully, as we move now into part C, questions 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25, these should be the challenge questions. So these should at least make me a bit more satisfied. Okay? But hopefully you're enjoying the contest so far, and I'll see you for question 21 in just a little bit.